We are very confident that it will guide you in your trading journey without any biases and also help in the automation of your strategy. In this video, we are going to discuss how to use Scanner Wizard to find market neutral and directional strategies with ease. The Scanner Wizard scans the market at a go and displays it on a single page, showcasing market neutral strategies like butterfly and condor, as well as directional strategies like bull or bear throughout the day. After choosing a strategy based on your risk-reward objective, click on the Analyze button to view the strategy profile. Here you can view leg-wise details, payoff chart, and parameters like margin, max profit, and max loss, among others. You can also access option chain designed with the nearest in the money and out of the money so that you don't need to hustle to find your strike prices. Also, you can easily start auto trade for your strategy. After analyzing the strategy, then just click on the trade button to execute it in the market. You can also save a strategy and analyze its performance in the live market. Here you can view all the saved strategies and directly take decisions with a click from the action column. In this way, you can easily find any market neutral and directional strategy and also start automating your strategy. Thanks for watching.